Welcome to Did You Know TV, the channel where curiosity meets knowledge. Today we'll dive into the basics and discover what an IP address is, why it matters, and how it works in our digital world. So what exactly is an IP? Sounds complicated, right? But let's break it down in a fun way. Imagine you're at a huge party with tons of guests. Everyone's mingling, chatting, dancing. But wait, how do you find your friend in this crowd? You need some kind of identification, right? That's where an IP comes in. An IP, or Internet Protocol Address, is like a unique name tag for your device on the internet. Just like your friend has a specific name at the party, your computer, phone, or tablet has its own special IP address. Now, think of the internet as a massive city with endless streets and buildings. Each website, server, or device has its own address too. When you want to visit a website, your device sends a request to that address. It's like asking for directions to your favorite pizza place. Hey, where's Tony's Pizza? There are two main types of IP addresses, IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 is like that classic pizza place everyone knows about, familiar and widely used, but running out of space. IPv6, on the other hand, is the new kid on the block, with a much larger address book, ready for all the devices that keep popping up. Now here's a fun twist. IP addresses can be static or dynamic. A static IP is like a permanent home for your friend, always the same. A dynamic IP, though, is like someone who moves around a lot. Their address changes every time they visit the party. So, next time you're online, remember, your device has its own unique IP address, helping it navigate the vast world of the internet, just like you find your way around that big party. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.